Hi. Just wanted to drop you a quick video to let you know about this incredible all-in-one platform for digital marketers and online businesses called System.io. Most businesses use upwards of 100 different tools and software in their day-to-day operations, which can be overwhelming at times. Fortunately, there are platforms like System.io, which is a single platform with a suite of tools that allows you to build sales funnels, email lists, manage affiliate programs, automate various parts of your marketing strategy, and so much more. There is a tool for every part of your digital marketing mix. System.io takes away the need for you to figure out, and pay for, all these different platforms and gives you all the functionality you need in one place. System.io is an all-in-one solution for everything you need to run your online business. For most people who are just getting started online, the biggest obstacle to success is fully understanding how many tools are required to run an online business effectively. Even with an understanding of all the different apps and software required, many still don't have the time to figure out exactly how to get the most from each of those tools individually. Even with systems like ClickFunnels, Kartra, GrooveFunnels, etc. You still need many complicated integrations which cost a lot and suck money right out of your business. Just look at all these great features included in System.io. A visual editor to easily create squeeze pages and forms. An integrated autoresponder to send emails. A platform to host membership sites. A payment page editor with one-click upsells and order bumps. Management of subscriptions and installment payments. Auto-generated invoices. Affiliate program management. You'll get access to all of these features for free, forever. However, if you choose to sign up for one of our more advanced plans, they are still cheaper than our competitors. For only $27 per month you can manage up to 5,000 contacts. And enjoy unlimited email sending. System.io is simply the best on the market. But you don't have to take my word for it. You can try it out for yourself for free. Smile. System.io is simply the easiest and fastest way to grow your online business. System.io has all the tools you need to grow your online business. First of all, it's free forever. No credit card required. Stop using a different tool for every part of your online business. All the tools you need under the same roof. 1. Sales funnels. Create funnels easily based on proven templates. 2. Email marketing. Send unlimited emails and create email campaigns. 3. Website builder. Easily set up your website in under 10 minutes. 4. Affiliate program management. Create an affiliate program, automate affiliate payouts. 5. Business automation. Save time and energy by automating your business. 6. Evergreen webinars. Run evergreen webinars to grow your audience and make sales. 7. Online courses. Build your online course, manage your students. 8. Blogging. Create high converting content and get more traffic. 9. Sell products. Become a drop shipper or sell your own products. System.io is simply the easiest and most intuitive way to grow your online business. Sign up today, it's free, forever.